and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them free. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with disastrous beauty.
She wanna know me, I stay low-key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down. Town, you should slide on me, keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love, know it's all love. I'm feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Hey y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright honey, so the unit that I am rocking was caught by me with my own coins. And as you guys know, when I buy a unit with my own coins, I like to give myself a little shout out, like go Chrissy, okay, for copping a unit with your coins, okay? So the unit that I am rocking is from Amazon, and no, this is not one from my series B Stole My Look, honey. They ain't steal my look, they stole somebody's look, but it wasn't mine, okay? So the unit I am rocking, I actually decided to get because I saw another YouTuber do a video on it, and I was like, that is actually really cute. So it made me go ahead and check it out myself, and I want you guys to go and check out her video. I will have it listed down below in the description box so you guys can go and show her some love. But the unit is from the Prettiest Store. Like literally that's what they're called on Amazon, the Prettiest Store. It says prettiest curly afro short wig with bangs for black women. Child, we don't even get into that. Daily use fiber, ombre brown, kinky curly wig. Child, we don't get into that either because she's not kinky. She is not kinky. It says ombre brown big curls. So I did choose to get the ombre brown one, but they do have it in a bunch of other colors. And either I'll have it on the screen, or you guys can just check the description box and go and check it out for yourself. But they do have it in a lot of other colors. As far as the details, they have ombre brown big curls. The brand is Prettiest. Hair type is curly or coily. It is definitely curly. It is not coily. And it says age range adult child. Machine made curly wig. It says 280 grams to 290 grams. That's the weight of it. It is an average cap size, and it does come with adjustable straps. I want to go ahead and mention that. It does come with adjustable straps, but it only comes with one comb. I did not utilize that one comb. It's dead smack in the middle. You can if you want to, honey. Like if you're going outside and you're worried about a breeze, definitely use that one comb or sew some more in there. It says, this is soft, comfortable, and full, fluffy, curly afro wig. You can easily create the look you want. Use your imagination. You can create a lot of fun and unique style. So that's what they have on here. And this is just from one particular company. Honestly, this wig is, you can get it from a lot of other companies on Amazon. I just chose this one because that was the link that the YouTuber I had watched, that was the link that she had, so I chose that one. This wig is very, very big head friendly in my opinion. I did have to super like crisscross the straps in the back. I am an average cap size, so if I have to adjust the straps, then I deem a unit to be big head friendly. If I don't, then I say it's small to medium head friendly. This one is definitely water head friendly, honey, okay? So keep that in mind. Now, as far as shedding and tangling with this wig, in my opinion, this unit does not shed and tangle straight out the packaging. That's not to say, oh, girl won't do any other things at some point. I'm just saying straight out the packaging, she is not. It does get a little more so on the frizzy side, like the more you kind of put your fingers through it, but when I would use a brush, it would kind of get rid of that frizziness, so I want to throw that out there as well. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm going to go ahead and get into my pros and cons about this wig, and then we will do what I recommended in a full 360 and wrap this thing up. Okay, so getting into the pros and cons, I'm going to always start with the cons first because I like to end on a high note, girl, okay? So my con with this unit would probably be the price, okay? But it is from Amazon. The only reason I have an issue with the price of this wig is because it is a full cap wig, you know what I mean? Meaning, you see what I'm saying? It's gonna give that wig look. I feel like these type of wigs are great with a hat, or if you're somebody that don't really care that somebody can see that as a wig, or you can probably cover it up, you know, one way or the other. I don't know, but to me that makes it where it should be less than $20 in my opinion. And maybe it's as much as it is because it's on Amazon and you're gonna get that fast shipping, and you know it's not, the tax isn't as much. But in my opinion, that price is an issue for me, only because it has no legs, honey. It's a full cap wig, so that's just kind of how I feel about it. Now the pros with this wig is, like I said, don't shed, it doesn't tangle. Honey, this hair is nice. Like, it is bouncy, it is full, the color is beautiful, the curls are beautiful, the hair is beautiful. You know what I mean? Like, despite the fact that I feel like it's a little expensive, okay, in my opinion, maybe I'm just cheap, I don't know. But despite that, the hair is really, really nice in my opinion. Like, it just feels so good. And also another pro is you got what you saw, okay? You know on Amazon it can be a little hit and miss, okay, with these vendors. But you actually, what you see on the picture is what you're gonna get. So I love that about this unit as well. And yeah, I love the color. That is it. Those are my pros with this wig. Alright, honey, so would I recommend, oh girl, okay? Would I recommend this wig? I honestly would recommend this wig, but I think it also depends on your budget and what you consider an expensive wig and an inexpensive wig. Personally, I think she's worth it because I think she's a look, she's a vibe, and there's a lot you can do with this sort of wig. Like I said, it can be a hat wig, and you guys know I love a good hat wig. Just throw you a cute hat on, and it gives you a whole nother vibe, you know what I mean? So it's a great hat wig, especially if you are feeling a little antsy about that little area that gives off that wig appearance. It's great for that, and it's just really nice hair, and you can do a few other things with this wig. I did decide to cut the bangs, but you don't have to. So, child, my head don't want to stay. So yeah, that's how I'm feeling about it. I would recommend it, but you know your budget better than I do, girl. I'm just throwing that out there, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360. Obviously, I don't have to do a lint check because, honey, this is it. No Michael Jackson. So let's get into that, and then we can wrap this thing all the way. All right, honey. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, I am feeling it. I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Keep in mind that link is an affiliate link. So honey, if you don't want me to get no coins, then you're gonna have to go get another link, girl, okay? Because this link down there is an affiliate link. So keep that in mind. And yeah, honey, I guess that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions that you feel like I may have left out, or you just want to holler at me down below and say what's up, girl, okay? Do that down below in the comments. And if you're not already subscribed, honey, click the subscribe button. I don't cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. That was the love books next time. Bye.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way now.